Hey guys, welcome to this video. I hope you are doing great. Today I am investigating my chimney problem and I invite you to join me. Let's see where we end up, hopefully not on the ground. If there is one thing that I would like to get done this year, it's getting the fireplaces ready for use. It would be nice to come here late fall and in the winter and light up a fire and heat the place up. I think that is my target. If there's one thing, that is the target. One of the problems that I need to fix is to add cement in between the bricks here where it is missing. I mean, it has eroded due to the weather and so on. But I think it can be fixed up nicely here. I just need to remember to use some kind of ceramic cement or some softer cement so the whole chimney doesn't crack. Then of course I need to maybe put up like a small roof over the chimney to prevent snow and water to get in. One thing that you may have noticed is that there is no safety equipment installed here on the roof. Maybe this is the first thing that I should act on. Maybe add like a roof ladder and then also some place to clip in like a safety rope and so on. I'm not sure if I need to add like a platform to stand on or so. I guess I'll need to find out exactly what the rules and regulations are. But the question is then, how do I get up onto the roof? That's something to investigate as well. So I can admit that I don't feel so comfortable on heights. Slight bit of vertigo. Yeah. The smoothest way to get up onto the roof is on this side of the house. The ground is smooth and so on, so it's easy to put up a ladder here. If I would choose this place to access the roof, then I would need to add a long roof ladder and on this side of the roof, and then climb over the top of the roof and down on the other side, where I also would need to add a piece of a roof ladder. I don't think that solution is the best option. Actually, it would be maybe the smoothest one, but more costly for sure. As you can see, the chimney is located on this side of the house, just above the balcony. I think accessing the roof from this side is the most complicated or most difficult. The ground is not even, there is a slope down, so putting up a removable ladder is kind of difficult. And in that case, if I wanted to access the roof from this side, I would need to have like a fixed installation ladder on the wall, and I think that is not an optimal solution. First it's ugly, and then it would be next to the balcony as it is today, but I want to extend the balcony a little bit in the future, so then it would be in the way, so I would need to find a different solution. As you can see, there is not much space for the ladder here. You can see the slope down and so on, so I need to come up with a different solution. A third option for accessing the roof would be from the balcony. I would need to come up with a solution where I can temporarily open up the roof for when the chimney sweep or the chimney master come to inspect the fireplaces and the chimney. But I think it should be doable. I think this is also the most cost-efficient solution. I'm not sure if it would be approved by the chimney sweep and the rules and regulation that the authorities have put up, but let's find out. I will need to ask for some directions here, but to me it sounds like a good idea. There are 2 fireplaces in the house, and they need to be inspected regularly by the chimney sweep. I called their office the other day and asked about what kind of safety equipment that is required for inspection and so on, so I got some tips there. He also told me that last time this chimney was inspected, according to their records, was some 30 years ago. I guess it's about time now then. I'm really interested to hear your thoughts on which would be the best way to access the roof and the chimney. And also if you have some tips and tricks in renovating the chimney and so on. I know that probably I would need to kind of seal the inside of the chimney in some way. I think it's leaking now, so that is something that if it would be using like a steel tube, or if it would be possible to kind of seal it with some ceramic cement or whatnot. I'm not sure yet. I haven't investigated those options. Maybe I can get some recommendations from the chimney sweep once they can access the chimney. down to the lake for a dip, quick dip. My house is over there, so the lake is over there. Walking down the plank, so to say. Let's see. Ooh, feels cold. Just put away some stuff. Let's see. Thermometer. Maybe 15, 16, 17 something. Let's do it. Oh my God! Oh. Oh. It's cold. Ooh. Getting into the water is never easy. It's always ice cold, no matter the temperature. But afterwards, you feel great, alive. But I think with this little short swim, we end the video. And thank you for watching, and I hope I see you in the next video.